Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I'm going to be doing a review of the Diamond Smile Teeth Whitening Kit. So this is an at-home teeth whitening kit. It's simple, safe and effective. And we've got around 6 treatments in here as well. It's peroxide free and tastes of strawberry, which I'm loving. And hopefully I'll get teeth like this. So this is the box that it comes in. It looks really nice, you know, it's really nicely presented. And then we open it up and inside we've got this kit here. So we've got 3 syringes here. So there's 2 treatments in each syringe. We've got our little instruction leaflet and there's also a card on the back there where you can track your shade and how your teeth are progressing. There's a little card here with the different colours of the teeth, so that's where you get your number to put on your chart. There is also your little UV light here and then your tray here to put your gel inside for obviously whitening your teeth. So this claims to help against discoloration of tobacco, tea, coffee, sweets, soft drinks, red wine and antibiotics. I didn't even know they discoloured your teeth, to be honest with you. Learn something new every day. And it says whiter teeth after 10 minutes, a flexible mouthpiece, no sensitivity, prevents future stains, no harmful chemicals, and it's not tested on animals either. I'll tell you the ingredients as well because I think that's quite an important thing. So the ingredients are glycerin, aqua, propylene glycol, xanthan gum, sodium metasilicate, cellulose gum, aroma, sodium chloride, sodium dihydroxyacetate, xylitol, sodium chloride, sodium bicarbonate, disodium EDTA. I'm really sorry if I butchered some of those, but I just think it's quite important to know the ingredients in it as well. So I have had a quick look through the instructions and it seems really straightforward. So this is my teeth at the moment. So they're not too bad. I do look after my teeth. I obviously brush twice a day and everything. I use mouthwash. So I do try and look after my teeth as much as possible. They're not like overly discoloured. Well, I don't think they are anyway. But obviously if I can get them whiter, then, you know, that's all the better. So the first thing it says to do is to brush your teeth as normal with toothpaste, which I have just done. And then we're going to dip into the kit. So looking at the charts, I would say mine at the moment are around a 3 to 4. And obviously I want to try and get them to a 1 if I can do. So we're going to take our UV light and our tray. I'm going to pop the tray onto the light. So it's got a little lip bit just here. So I'm going to just pop that onto there. Right, okay, so I've got that onto the light now. So as you can see, you've got like 2 sections. So obviously you're going to put your teeth around this middle bit just here. And this section and this section is going to rest on your top and bottom teeth. So I'm taking my first syringe. I'm going to take off the little lid. Actually, I think there's 3 treatments in a syringe because we've got 3 ml here and I think you only use 1 per treatment. So yeah, that's good. Right, okay, so what I'm going to do is put it around this piece here because obviously that's the bit that's going to go onto my teeth. Okay, so as you can see, I've used 1 ml there, and then I'm just going to pop it into my mouth. Right, so I just tried to try it just to make sure it was working, and then yeah, I couldn't turn it on, so I opened up the battery. And just to let you know, there's like a little plastic cap in there. So if you open up the battery section and take that out, and then I'm going to pop the batteries back in. Yeah, it's working now. So yeah, just bear that in mind. It's not broken. It's got a little plastic like cap thing in there. Right, okay, so we've taken that out. So I'm going to pop this back in now. Okay, so you just press the button like that and it turns the UV light on. So as you can see, that's now on, and I'm just going to leave that in now for 10 minutes. Right, okay, so it has been 10 minutes that I left it on for, and I've got this result. This is such a difference. It really is. I'm actually really shocked at how much whiter they look in 10 minutes. I think that's a huge difference. When I first looked in the mirror, I was like, oh my gosh. Yeah, really, really good. So I'm going to continue to use it, obviously, for, you know, the full course for 3 weeks. So you can use it twice a week for, yeah, well, however long you want, really. But it says to get the full effect twice a week for up to 3 weeks. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to mark it on my card. I'll update you in the comment section below as to how I've got on to the end of it and if I've got to like a level 1 or not. But yeah, if this is the look that I get after one treatment, then I'm pretty confident that I'm going to get really nice pearly whites for after like 3 weeks. I actually feel really excited. So I'll try and get a before and after for you. But yeah, I think that's amazing. I really, really do. So yeah, also, I obviously left it on for the 10 minutes because it says leave it on for 10 minutes, but you can actually leave it on for up to 45 minutes if you want to as well. I'll probably just do the 10 minutes because I get bored, to be quite honest with you. I've not got the patience to leave it on for 45. But to be honest, looking at them, I think 10 minutes is going to be fine for me. But obviously, if you've got more discoloured teeth or anything like that, then probably, you know, 45 minutes is a better option for you. So there we go. Nice pearly white teeth, and I am really, really impressed with it. If you're interested in purchasing this kit for yourself, I will leave the link in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes, anything like that. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby.